happened last week with Oba. Let me try. Hey, Johnny, one of the best wrestlers in the planet. You in there?
Yeah.
No.
I've tried everything. I don't know what to do anymore.
You know, sorry to interrupt, but maybe we just get back to basics, right? Just really simple things.
Back to Johnny Wrestling. Yes, you're right.
Okay, sure.
We gotta get him back to Johnny Wrestling.
Sure, let's push him
okay?
out of here.
Yes.
You got it mostly?
Yeah,
It's
thanks.
mostly you.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I'm ready for my apology hug. You saw the replay from last week. Come on, bring it in.
Let me ask you something. Why are you still wasting your time with Johnny Gargano?
Just get over it, dude. He's a human being, and there's a lot of history there. Come on.
Look, while you're wasting your time helping the man who cost us the WWE Tag Team Championships, I'm busy helping the Motor City Machine Guns. I got us a match
Okay?
next week.
Okay.
And guess who with?
Who?
Fraxium. Just heard it from Nick Aldis right now.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Couldn't be better.
Cool.
All right.
You still committed to the Motor City Machine Guns or
Come
what?
on, dude. What do you think?
Prove it.
Okay, I will. I don't know what that's supposed to mean.